In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Slack. We're going to do this using Zapier, which is a tool that connects different apps together so they can share information automatically. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Asana connected in Zapier, ready to be used alongside the Slack connection you already have or plan to set up. First, open your browser and go to the Zapier homepage. Make sure you're logged into your Zapier account before you continue. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in so you can access your apps and connections. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see the main Zapier dashboard, where all your automations, or zaps, are managed. Next, navigate to the section in Zapier where your app connections live. This is usually under a menu called Connections, or My Apps. Here, you'll see any apps you've already connected to Zapier. In the example shown, there's a Slack account already connected. Even if your screen looks a little different, the process you'll follow to connect Asana will be the same. Now, look for the option to add a new connection. You should see a button labeled Add Connection. Go ahead and click that. If you see this button more than once in the interface, don't worry. Each click is just confirming that you want to add a new app to Zapier. After clicking to add a connection, Zapier will show you a searchable list of apps it can connect to. This is where you choose Asana. In the search bar, or the list of apps, start typing Asana until it appears. Then click on Asana to select it. If you see Asana listed more than once as you navigate, just keep clicking on Asana until you're taken to the screen that lets you add the connection. Once Asana is selected, you'll again see an option labeled Add Connection. Click this to start linking your Asana account to Zapier. At this point, Zapier may open a new window asking you to sign into Asana and authorize the connection. Follow the prompts, confirm access, and when you're done, you'll be brought back to Zapier with Asana successfully connected. From here, you're ready to start building automations that connect Asana and Slack through Zapier.